G'day and welcome back to Buildsum. In this video, as you can see, we've got our bearers and joists in place, which means we also worked out our spacing for our piers. Generally, with your bearers, they'd be either screwed to, in this case, these piers have a little flange on them that you can screw through to. So you just put a couple of screws in through there to fix them off. If they're on a concrete or brick pier, you could put some builder strap in, or generally they just sit on top of those. The actual joists are generally just skew nailed to the bearer, although I prefer to put a triple grip, or you can buy pergola brackets and actually just screw them on as well, just to make them a little bit stiffer. Okay, and then you're ready for the decking. So one of the tricks I used to do was I used to cut some DPC in half and put on top of the joists just to protect them, and so water doesn't lay on top. But they've actually put out nowadays, there's an actual product you can buy, which is like a thin rubber, which actually sits on top of the joists, and that helps to just make them last a little bit longer, so that's worth doing. You can get one that sits on top of the bearer as well, if you want to put that in. Okay, so that just stops the water from rotting away the timber. Okay, so once your protection's down, DPC or your protector joist, you can then start to lay your decking. So the one requirement for your decking is that it has to start a minimum of 10 mil off the wall. Okay, I've actually put it a little bit closer, a little bit further. I've just put it back with the edge of my my framing, because that's only 25 mil, but you're allowed to actually be just 10 mil off the wall. All right, so that gives you a bit of a gap. The other recommendation is that the first couple of boards, 2 or 3, you only screw fix them into place. That way, later on, you can actually unscrew them and you can get under and have a look under the floor. It's not going to be too bad in this instance because there's a fair bit of room underneath the floor. But if you're on one of the decks that's lower to the ground, it's well worth just leaving those first couple of boards to come out. All right, that's your 10 mil there. Okay, so there we go. We've completed our deck. This one is slightly off the ground and we can get a termite barrier underneath it. In the next video, I'll go through how you would set up and start a deck that's going to be basically sitting on the ground.
G'day, I'm back. Just to let you know that if you like this video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel or you can follow me on Facebook so you don't miss out on more great videos.